Hello and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can email the CEO of any company. Now, in order to do this, we are using a tool called hunter.io, and I have just signed up for a free account. Now, all you need to do is enter the domain name for the company that you want to search for. So for example, I'll type in bbc.com. And I'll click onto this top one right here. And there we go. We now have the email addresses for people that work at BBC. So the very first result here is the head of finance at BBC. And then we have the marketing manager, the media marketing, and many more different results as well. So then you can view the name, the job title, the email address for this particular person. And then on the right, you can click Save Lead to save this lead to your account. And then if you have your Gmail account connected to your hunter.io account, you can email them from within this website as well. And finally, we can view the sources where the email address was found. So as you can see, these are the different sources where this email address was found. And then you can also export all of the results as a CSV. So there are many different things that you can do using hunter.io. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. It's just been a quick one, but this is also some very valuable information. So there we go. That's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.